44-year-old Kelly Alfani is an extremely active person. She teaches both Pilates and aqua classes, averaging about 20 classes a week, plus she works out on her own.
I did a turkey trot for Thanksgiving last year, but it was 13 degrees, so I did it on a treadmill, yes. And I pushed myself a little more than I should have and started feeling hip pain.
Mercy Medical Center Dr. Jasmine Toor says the most common injuries she sees with women are hip and knee injuries, and she says anatomy does play a part.
Anatomy, something that we can't really change. Women have wider hips. That puts different angles and stresses on the knees, so there's definitely risk of ACL injuries because of what we call the Q angle. Women are also more quad dominant. That's natural. They have weaker hamstrings, so higher quad to hamstring ratios does put more stress on jumping, landing, and can increase risk of injuries to the knee, like ACL tears.
Kelly says first, Dr. Toor recommended rest, a tough request considering her job, but Kelly also says fitness is more than just about the physical part.
When you're an active person, you take good care of yourself, you feel pretty good most of the time. You might be sore from a workout, but you don't realize, it's mental health too. It really affects your mental health, and it was really hard.
The next line of treatment for Kelly was physical therapy and a cortisone injection, and she says she will make changes to her daily routine to better support her body as well.
When you're teaching Pilates, you don't do all the movement, but aqua, you do a little bit more. And so observing other instructors and figuring out how do you teach it, but not do all the movement.
Dr. Toor says there's one more important thing she wants Kelly to add to her routine.
As women age, most importantly, strength training is the #1 thing to reduce stress on joints, shock absorbing, help support our joints, especially since women are also a little more hypermobile than men too, and that's also another risk factor. So strength training is really, really important.